Hello everyone. In this lecture, we'll learn about drone laws and regulations. Before flying a drone for surveying or mapping, it is extremely important to understand the laws and regulations that govern drone operations. Drone technology has become very powerful, and governments around the world have introduced regulations to ensure that drones are used safely and responsibly. Following these rules not only keeps you compliant with the law but also helps protect people, property, and airspace safety. Let's begin with the basic concept of aviation authority regulation. In most countries, drone operations are regulated by a national aviation authority. For example, in the United States, drones are regulated by the Federal Aviation Administration, while other countries have their own aviation authorities responsible for managing airspace and drone activity. These authorities establish rules that define where drones can fly, how high they can fly, and what safety measures must be followed. One of the most common regulations is the maximum flight altitude limit. In many countries, drones are typically restricted to flying below about 120 meters or 400 feet above ground level. This helps prevent conflicts with the manned aircraft such as helicopters and airplanes. Another important rule involves visual line of sight, often referred to as VLOS. Most regulations require the drone operator to keep the drone within their direct visual line of sight during flight. This means the operator should always be able to see the drone without relying only on the camera feed. Drone laws also often restrict flying near airports, military zones, and other sensitive areas. These locations are considered controlled or restricted airspace. Flying drones in these areas without proper authorization can be dangerous and illegal. For commercial operations such as drone surveying, many countries require operators to obtain a drone license or certification. This ensures that pilots understand aviation safety, airspace rules, and proper drone operation. Another important aspect of drone regulations involves privacy and safety considerations. Drone operators should avoid flying directly over crowds of people or private property without permission. Responsible drone operation includes respecting privacy and minimizing risk to others. Many countries now also require drone registration. This means the drone must be registered with the aviation authority so that it can be identified if necessary. Modern drones often include geofencing technology, which automatically prevents them from entering restricted airspace zones. Understanding these regulations is essential for anyone planning to use drones professionally, including for surveying and mapping projects. Operating within legal guidelines helps ensure safe flights, professional credibility, and responsible use of drone technology. In the next lecture, we will discuss another critical topic, airspace awareness and risk management, which will help you plan drone survey missions safely and avoid potential hazards during flight. Thank you.